Hi everybody, I am Saeed. Mechanics, engineering, electronics, computer, and of course, a stargazing lover. In my channel The Key, I provide you with a lot of information about repairing or adjusting different devices. With some exceptions, I always consider two important issues in my mind at the time of creating the videos. First of all, I try to show you the reason why the things don't work appropriately and we need to adjust them or repair them. Because I believe that, despite the fact that I show you my own method to make the things right, I believe that if you know the reason, you can find many other solutions for those problems. And the second point is that I try to show you general methods. For example, I'm working on a printer and finally it works because of the repair. This method would be general and will work for you, of course. Considering these two important things, you will be able to use them in practice for yourself too. If you're interested in such issues, repairing, adjusting, please right now give me a like. And if you have any kind of suggestion for another repair, please leave me a comment about that. Thanks for watching.